Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my TubeRushr review. So what is TubeRushr? TubeRushr is the latest ChatGPT 4 plus YouTube software that pulls in tens of thousands of visitors every day by posting lame 15-second videos. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard, and I'm going to give you an overview demo of TubeRushr. And the first thing that I'm going to do is show you the launch dates. So here are the launch dates of TubeRushr, and the launch starts Friday the 23rd of June 2023 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and the launch closes Thursday the 29th of June 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So those are the launch dates of TubeRushr. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is my hand-picked in OTO1. The Pro Edition is $37. In OTO2, the SEO Edition is $47. In OTO3, the Facebook and Instagram Edition is $47. In OTO4, the Chat GPT Edition is $37. In OTO5, the Reseller Edition has two different options to it. You got the $127 option, or you got the $147 option. So anyway, those are the TubeRushr prices and the TubeRushr upsells. So now we're going to go back to the members area. Okay, now we're back into the members area of TubeRushr. And the first thing that I want to do is show you the type of videos that TubeRushr creates. So I'm going to show you a sample video that I created. It's this dog training basics video. So I'm going to show you that now, and then I'll come back and go through the rest of the demonstration. Okay, I'm back, and that was just a short demonstration of the type of videos that TubeRushr creates. Now, it doesn't have any music on it. It doesn't have any text-to-speech on it, but you can add music on it. Normally, when I do videos like this, I don't add any music on there because I'm on YouTube, and YouTube's kind of picky about the type of music that you put on there. So I don't want to get a copyright strike. Not to say that it's copy protected or anything like that, because I didn't put any music on there, but I always recommend that you use the music right from YouTube. So anyway, now I'm going to show you how I created that. But before I do that, I am going to recommend that you start here in the training section. There's two places to get it. You can go down here, the training section down here, or up here. So I'm going to go to the training section. And these are the different training videos on here, and I do recommend that you watch these. This is not a real complicated program to use, but I do recommend always to watch the training, because then if you get hung up and you say, hey, it doesn't work or whatever, you haven't looked at the training, and you know what? You really should look at the training. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And this is the video that I created. Before I go through that, I'm going to go through these different sections up here. It says bonuses here. These are vendor bonuses. These are not my bonuses. And here's the training section again. And then you can choose a different language. You got all these different languages. Your profile settings over here. And then over here on the sidebar, you got campaign, mass creator, shorts finder, viral video, my music, elements, quote generator, bonuses, vendor bonuses there again, training, image creator, SEO edition. Now some of these might be upgrades. This is an upgrade here. Facebook and Instagram edition, which is an upgrade. The agency edition. Then you got Chat GPT edition. These are upgrades. Here's the reseller, which is also an upgrade. And here's the done for you offers and swipes. And then here's where you can log out. So now I'm going to go back up here, and here's how you create a video. You go over here to create new campaign. and I'm just going to name it Dog Training Basics 2. Now, this is just going to be a demonstration. You will have to take some time to create these videos and tweak them, because you will have to tweak some of these videos, and it does take a little bit to do that. So I want you to be aware of that. But once you get the campaign name, you just push continue. Then you have these options here. So I'm going to create one from AI. Push that button, then go down here and push continue. And then you put a keyword in here, and I'm not going to put 10 steps. I'm just going to put how to train a puppy. And then I'm going to push search content. I always use dog training because I have a dog training website called dogtrainingusa.net. And I also have a YouTube channel called Dog Training USA. So feel free to check those out. And it came up with some content while I was talking there. And what you can do, I'm going to scroll up here, is scroll down here. And before you go to make the video, you can trim this down. Okay, so I'm going to trim this down. And I'm going to take the number 1 out of it because I don't want this to be a real long video. And these will be the slides. And I'm just going to take this out because you can edit it from here. And these will be like 3 different slides. And you can also edit it from here, maybe 4 slides. If they're too long, we'll go 4 slides. And then you just push continue. And then here you can split the video, it says. But anyway, here's the one that I just did, Dog Training Basics. It'll say number 2. And then you can, got some options here. You can edit it, copy it, or delete it. This is the one I made earlier. So I'm going to go to edit. Then you need to select a template that fits. And it really doesn't matter which one of these you pick because they are all about the same. So you could take the first one or the third one. So I'm just going to take the third one. And then you scroll down here. You push continue the next step. You can see it's got 4 slides. And you can select the duration of the slide down here where it's got the 5. Okay. And then you can highlight this. And then you go up here and you can edit this, like the text color. And I'd go to typography. So I want to have white and apply to all. So now all the slides are white. You see them here. And even though it doesn't sometimes look right on here, it ends up right. So don't mess with any of this. Just leave it the way it is. The only thing I do know about this program here is if you have like a, let's see it is, if it says it's, and it's got the, what do you call that, the comma or whatever in there, you want to get rid of that because it'll put an asterisk in there where the comma is. So you want to look through these slides, see if there's any commas, stuff like that, or not commas like if it's or stuff like that. Okay. Well, anyway, it looks okay. It's just for demo purposes anyway. And then you go back to the editor. Or you go back. Let's see. Got to find the back section. There's a back. Oh, there it is. Go back. You can also change the text font if you want to. You also got some transitions. You can change the transitions. You can change the ratio, and you can change the resolution. So if I want to add media, like some pictures, I just go on here and search dog, search. And it come up with some dogs. So I take this and I slide it over here. And if I want to use it as the background, where's the background section? It's on here somewhere. I'm going to find it. I seen it earlier. I just have a little trouble finding a apply here, set as background. Sorry, I just couldn't find that section. I was looking over here. Anyway, set that as background, then it puts it on the background. Okay? Then you just go to the next section, find another picture of a dog, slide it over here, make sure it's highlighted, set it to the background. And ignore this green and all that you're going to see. And then you pick another picture of a dog, this one here, scroll him over here, highlight it, make sure it's highlighted, set as background. Okay, go find one more picture of a dog, so we've got 4 slides. Let's see, is he highlighted? No, he's already on there. Oh, I didn't do the first one. It's the first one I didn't do. Let's take him. I missed the first one. That was my bad. See this green here? Just ignore that. And you got some other options on here. I'm going to go back to the editor, back. You also can add elements. You can also add media, elements, topography, which is the text, add story. Back. You can add branding, transitions, which you can also do the transitions over here. Here's where you can add the music. Here's where you can add the voiceover. But I'm not going to add any of this on here. I'm just showing you how the program works. So anyway, once you get it set up, you just push finish. Okay, now it's queued to render. So what I'm going to do is fade out and come back when it's done. So then you can see the final video. There again, it won't have any music on it. And it won't have any text-to-speech on it. So I'm going to fade out and come back. Okay, I'm back, and it's done rendering now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the video that I just created. This is the one that I did earlier. So if you want to take a proofread of it before you download it, you just push this video button. And this is the video that I just created. Like I said, ignore that green because it doesn't show up in the final video. Like I said, it doesn't have any music. It doesn't have any text-to-speech. You can add that for demo purposes and to save time. I didn't put that in there. But it does make some pretty nice little videos that you can use on your YouTube channel. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the members area. So if TubeRushr looks like something that you might be interested in, or you're interested in my handpicked bonuses, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, then you'll get access to TubeRushr and my handpicked bonuses. And if you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.